The boat and the coat. Joe has a boat. He finds a coat. The coat is blue. Joe rows the boat. Joe and the coat stay warm.
The tie and the pie. Leah has a tie. She bakes a pie. The pie smells sweet. Leah wears her tie. Leah and the pie are a treat.
The cow and the crow. A cow sees a crow. The crow sits on a tree. The cow says, "How?" The crow comes back. The cow and the crow become friends.
The blue shoe. Sue has a blue shoe. The shoe is new. She wears it to school. Sue loves her shoe. Sue and the shoe skip to school.
The train and the rain. Kane rides a train. The rain starts to fall. The train moves fast. Kane looks out the window. Kane and the rain enjoy the ride.
The team and the dream. The team has a dream. They want to win. They practice every day. The team plays well. The team and their dream come true.
The boy and the toy. Roy has a toy. The toy makes a sound. Roy laughs with joy. He plays all day. Roy and his toy are happy.
The mouse and the couch. A mouse sees a couch. The couch is big. The mouse jumps on it. He shouts with joy. The mouse and the couch play together.
The night light. Night has a light. The light is bright. It shines in the night. Night feels safe. Night and the light sleep tight.
The cook and the book. Brooke is a cook. She has a book. The book has recipes. Brooke cooks a meal. Brooke and the book make good food.